Welcome to lesson 5 of our human body unit, and we're going to be doing vocabulary today. You will need your vocabulary journal, pages 9, 10, and 11. There's quite a few words to go over. This is for the read aloud and the chapter that we'll be reading. So let's get started on page 9 with cardiac muscle. Say it with me, cardiac muscle. Write it on the line. A cardiac muscle is muscular tissue of the heart that contracts rhythmically and continuously. So it contracts, it sort of pumps in and out rhythmically and continuously. It doesn't stop. Next is muscles. This is a noun. Write it on the line. Muscles are body tissue made of long cells that can contract or tighten and relax to produce motion. So it contracts, it tightens, it relaxes, and that's how our motion is made. Next, nerves. This is a plural noun. Say it with me, nerves. Write it on the line. Bundles of fibers throughout the body that transmit information and instructions to the brain and spinal cord. So I think it's the blue things that you can see there, nerves running all through our body. That's where our messages travel through. Next is voluntary muscle. Say it with me, voluntary muscle. Notice the C is silent. That's a noun. Muscles that can be controlled by someone's own choice. So you make these muscles move, like you can flex. Contract. Say it with me. Contract. That's a verb. It's an action. Write it on the line. To bring together, to shorten, to tighten. So when you flex your muscle like that, you are contracting the muscle, okay? It comes together and the muscle gets shorter and it tightens. Next is involuntary muscle. So let's say that together. Involuntary muscle. That's a noun. It's automatic. Your heart is an example of an involuntary muscle. It just works. You don't have to do anything. It's working automatically. Next is stomach. Say it with me. Stomach. That's a noun. And it's your belly. Next is automatically. Say it with me. Automatically. It's an adverb that describes a verb, tells how something is done. Write it on the line neatly. Done without thinking about it. So your heart beats automatically. You don't have to think about that. It does it by itself. Next is digest. Say it with me. Digest. This is a verb. Write it on the line. To break down food in the stomach so it can be used by your body. So to digest means you break down the food so that it can be used by your body. Lastly is involuntary. Everybody say that with me. Involuntary. This is an adjective, so it describes nouns. Write it on the line, and this means automatic. So those are your vocabulary words for this whole lesson, boys and girls, for the reader and the read aloud. Make sure you have them copied down properly, and you're going to submit pages 9, 10, and 11 of your vocabulary journal on Schoology.